Hi, this is James from Choc Chip. I'm just going to show you a quick intro to the new Google Analytics interface that we've got here. Now, this particular site I've logged in for already. This is one of our small websites that doesn't really get much traffic. You can see here that these are pretty low statistics, but we can use this to still show you the most simple things to look at in Google Analytics. And when you first log in like this, if you haven't seen this before, you haven't seen Analytics before, you might find it a little bit daunting. There's a lot of different information that's in here, but I thought we'd have a quick look at the very simple things that make the most sense to someone starting out. When you first log in, you get this overview page. This is a measurement of the people that are coming to your site each day. So that's termed your audience here. So we've got audience on the left. We're in this overview section, and this is giving us a basic overview, a basic introduction of everything that you can find out using Analytics. Now this, by default, this graph is showing us a daily number of people. So you can see last Thursday I had 5 people visit this website. We can click these links here to get that to average out over weeks, months, or even hours at the moment. As you scroll down, you'll see more like written statistics about what's happened over this time period. And 51 visitors. They have visited 133 pages, which means 2.61 pages per visit. It also gives you the average time on site, bounce rate, this kind of stuff. The difference between a new visitor and a returning visitor can be very important for some sites. Returning visitors are people who've been there before, and when they come again, they're counted as a returning visitor. We can also see a little bit of demographics here. It's showing language by default. I can click country and it'll show us the country that people have come from to visit this site. There's more details about these particular things available in the menu up on the left there. If you're a developer or your web developer might be interested in stuff like which web browser people are using the most to visit your site. In this case, we can see that Chrome is number 1, then Firefox. That's under audience here. Something you might want to look at that I find interesting is this location area under demographics. This brings up a map, and it shows you on the map the darker the green, the more visitors have come from that area. So you see like a spill of green appearing over the world there that shows you where most of your visitors are coming from. Something else that's quite important here is traffic sources. The overview of sources is useful. This shows how people are getting to your website. And in this case, we can see that most people are coming through search traffic, which means that they've arrived through something like Google or Bing, one of the search engines. As they've searched for a topic, this website has come up and they've clicked through to find it. Referral traffic means that they've followed a link from somewhere else, either another website has linked them through or an email campaign or something like that. And direct traffic means that they've just typed the address directly into the URL bar and have come directly to the website without clicking a link or searching or anything. This will also show you, of our search traffic, what keywords was this person searching for. And this is interesting if you've got an e-commerce site, or if you're trying to target a specific niche. You can actually see what people are searching for when they arrive at your site, and that can help you define what you do with your optimization, and can show you what's working and what market need is out there, what people are actually searching for. So that's the most basic things I think you need to look at. There is a lot more available in Google Analytics. You can look through all the audience, all the traffic sources areas, advertising, content conversions. These sort of areas have more complicated things that we can do to track specific users and what they're doing on your site. It's all great information. The more information you've got, the better you can manage who comes to your site and how well it's performing. So have a look through. Don't be afraid to poke around and see what's in there. And if you've got any questions, feel free to email or call us. This is James from chocchip.com.au. I hope to hear from you soon.